Okay. Thank you.
Galing naman si.
Yummy. Dito ka na lang, love. Yan, dito tayo. Yan, sa pet naman tayo.
Magpapakilala ulit kami sa inyo. By the way, ako nga po pala si Kuya Tor. Hello.
Ito, dali. Dali. Oh.
Ayan, kasama ko din po si Ate Helen. Hi. And syempre si Ate Isa.
Dali na, set ka nito.
Ayan, bago tayo mag-play, kailangan po natin ma-energize. So, sasayaw muna tayo ng warm-up dance namin. Very easy lang naman siya. So, it's ang unang step natin is wash your head. Wash your head at this. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Ano na mo eh. Next natin is touch your tummy. Nasaan yung tummy? Touch your tummy.
Where's your tummy?
2.
Where's your tummy?
1 and 2 and 2 down. Wiggle up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Alright kids, are you ready to dance? Ready kasi nasupahin na yung sumayaw. Kids, gagaling na namin sumayaw. Lalo na si aking
Pupunta ikaw doon? Wait lang, iwan natin to. Iwan natin yan.
Tingin niya yung aking isa magaling siya sumayaw. Naging party.
Baliktad, nak, baliktad.
March everyone.
Hindi ganyan, nak. Ganito. Look, oh, dance sila. Okay. Kaya, mama? No, dali natin yan kasi bawal yan. You want to go there? Want to dance?
Touch your tummy, touch your bottom, and wiggle up and down.
Lago, dance ka doon, dali. Dito.
Pose! Alright, kids, so, move backward tayo, kids. Move backward. Okay, ngayon naman, kids, tatanungin na namin kayo. Everyone be set.
Inom ka muna water. Sit down ka muna, inom ka muna water. Dali.
Okay, so gagawa na po tayo ng dalawang team. So, pag sinabi ko, group yourself, gagawa tayo ng dalawang team. Okay,